Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I've got a lipstick hack video for you guys where I'm going to be showing you everything you ever need to know about lipstick application. So if you're interested, then let's get started. The first thing you want to do is prep your lip before applying any lipstick, especially MAC ones. So I just like to apply a generous amount of lip balm and then go over with a clean toothbrush and just brush off my lips because this is going to help exfoliate any dead skin cells on the lips, and the lip balm is going to really moisturize the lip. So the next hack is for my pigmented or dark lip ladies. So all you need to do is just apply a little bit of concealer or foundation over your lips, and this will cover any unevenness or darkness on the lips, and the lipstick will show up much more even and much more vibrant. Now the third hack is for getting that perfect Cupid's bow. It's really simple because all you need to do is just take your lip liner pencil and draw an X on top of your lip. And then just go ahead and connect the tip of the X with the rest of your lip and then fill in the rest of your lips like you normally would. And there you go, you have a perfect Cupid's bow. Hack number 4. Whenever you're using a liquid lipstick, make sure to use the tip of the applicator to outline the lip shape. And then go ahead and fit in the rest of your lips, and you should have perfectly shaped lips. So just in case you manage to get an uneven line, go ahead and use some concealer with a small brush and clean up the line like so. And I absolutely love using my NYX's Wonder Pencil, which is a concealer pencil, and it just makes the job so much more convenient, easy, and it just gives that really nice sharp edge. Now we've all got that shade of nude lipstick that just washes us out and makes us look like zombies. But now you can make that work by applying it over any other brighter or deeper toned lipstick to get your own beautiful customized shade of lipstick. Hack number 7 is all about mattifying any lipstick by just placing a tissue over your lips and then taking some loose powder. I'm just going to blot that over the lips, and this way you can mattify just about any lipstick and also make them super long lasting. Next, to avoid getting that lipstick all over your cheek, just take your index finger and suck on it like so, and voila, all of that lipstick that was supposed to be on your teeth is on the finger instead, and now you can smile as bright and wide as you can. So the next hack is all about making your lips look plump and full. So I'm taking this shimmery white eyeshadow and applying that over my Cupid's bow and also on the center of my bottom lips. And then I'm taking this brown eyeshadow and placing that right under my bottom lips. And this is really going to enhance the lip and give the illusion of a plumper and fuller lip. Hack number 10. So in case you're not getting the exact shade that you see on the bullet to transfer on your lip, all you need to do is just blot your lips with a tissue and reapply the lipstick once again. And this will really bring out the pigment of the lipstick on your lip, and it will also increase the longevity of the lipstick. So lastly, to add that extra dimension to the lip, I like to fill in the entire lips with a darker shade of lipstick and then go in with a lighter shade on the center portion of the lips. And there you go, that's how you get a nice gradient effect. So that's it for now. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to let me know in the comments below, and also let me know if you have any other video ideas. And I shall see you pretty soon.